What's up, everybody?
Hey.
Adventurous Alex and Ukrainian girl Elena. We're on our second day in Bali. The first day, we didn't have any tours planned or anything like that. We just walked around, just explored the area near the hotel. And let you know, we're staying in the Kuta Legian area of Bali, which is about 30 minutes north of the airport. And it's right next to the beach, the famous beach, Kuta Beach, which a lot of people have heard of. Yeah, that's what we did the first day. Well, today we're gonna be doing a couple of different activities. The first being whitewater rafting.
Is it better than Malaysia?
Definitely better. I think it's better than Malaysia. Malaysia had an advantage because there was no one around. But what makes this one really cool is that Malaysia, when you do the whitewater rafting there, the river's a lot wider, but here it's narrow. So you're really close to the edges in the jungle. You can practically touch the jungle. It's really cool. So yeah, we're gonna be doing whitewater rafting, and it's in an area called Ubud, which is about an hour north of where we're staying, in the jungle, in the center of the island of Bali, right in the center. So that's the first activity, and I'll let Elena talk about what we're doing after that today.
Yeah, also after this we're going to see Kecak dance. It's like Bali original dance, what you can see only here, like a cultural activity. And on the way there's a famous Garuda Vishnu park. On the picture it looks pretty impressive. It's like huge statue of Vishnu god on a Garuda. They're both like Hindu gods, and we want to see it ourselves.
And all that stuff is actually on the southern portion of the island, just south of Bali on the very southern tip, called Nusa Dua. And Uluwatu, did you mention Uluwatu?
No.
Okay, so yeah, Uluwatu is where the Kecak fire dance is going to be. And that's like a temple. It's like a temple right on the sea, which you can see the sea on the cliff, and it's really cool. And there's monkeys there. Do you remember that?
Mm-hmm.
There's
monkey
like
forest.
Yeah, not monkey forest. There's just monkeys in that area. Mm-hmm. We're pretty hyped up about that. So.
Oh yeah, you need to watch your glasses and your head there.
Yep.
Remember last time?
Oh yeah, Trey.
Yeah.
Was it Trey?
No, it was not Trey. It was Guy, who I think was with us. Monkey stole his hat.
Yeah, monkey stole his hat, and the only way to get your belongings back from these monkeys, and I don't know if they're trained or not, is you got to get a local to get it back for you. So you're essentially got to pay a local to get a monkey to give you back your whatever phone or camera or glasses. So
yeah, so better, like don't wear glasses or hats or anything.
Anything that's loose that they can just easily grab. I wouldn't carry any of that stuff around. And we'll have all the information on how to book these tours, and some suggestions and whatnot, how much it costs and all that kind of stuff throughout the video. Later on, we'll kind of give you the rundown. Hope you enjoyed the video, and we'll see you soon.
Tour. Bye.
Olena, my wife.
Hi, I'm Olena. Nice to meet you.
Olena.
Olena. Nice to meet
Olena.
you.
Olena, okay. I mean, with someone is really similar, like your face. They said, no. I'm not like this.
Oh,
I'm with someone with long hair right now.
Oh, okay.
Bagaimana kabar? Baik.
Baik.
Sehat.
Sehat.
You can speak in bahasa.
Yeah.
Bisa.
Yeah.
Okay, nice to meet you.
Nice.
Miss Molana. Your name?
Olena.
Olena. I see in my mind. Olena. Okay.
It's okay. It's okay.
Okay. You got a second clothes already?
Yep, I put some in here.
Yeah.
And then bisa tinggal di some barang-barang bisa tinggal di
It's
mobil.
okay. It's
Yeah.
okay. I will take care and lock from my car.
Yeah, okay.
Don't worry. My friend.
Okay.
Gotcha.
Lobby, just take my car basement. Okay.
In Bali, you can either purchase a pre-arranged tour with a fixed itinerary or simply hire a driver/guide for the day. We opted to hire a driver for 2 days. A typical cost for a driver, including a vehicle with fuel for 8 to 10 hours, will run you around 500 to 650,000 Indonesian rupiah, or 30 to 45 US dollars, depending on how close or far you end up going. Our first stop was a whitewater rafting excursion down the Ayung River. It is an approximately 10-kilometer route that takes anywhere from 1.5 to 2 hours to complete. The route ranges from basic paddling to Class 4 rapids. The river is located in the heart of Ubud and provides amazing views of the lush jungle, wildlife, waterfalls, and more. The only drawback is that you're going to have to deal with the 400 steps back up to the roadside once it's all over.
During our trip, there are around 10 kilometers. In the time, 1.5 until 2 hours. But don't worry, so when you feel tired later, I have the two rest areas. So the first rest area, if you want to try swim, if you want to... Okay, forward together. Just slowly, but... slow, easy going.
How was it?
It was fun as always. I never get tired of doing river rafting.
You ready? Go upstairs.
Some exercise and then some food.
And then nasi goreng.
Yep. There are a multitude of rafting companies to choose from, but in general, they are all similar in both quality and safety measures. Depending on whether or not you need transportation included, this activity is going to cost anywhere from 20 to 35 US dollars per person and typically includes a basic Indonesian style buffet lunch. Oh, sorry.
No, go ahead.
No, I was just filming just a little bit. This is the Garuda Wisnu Kencana.
We did not go inside because it was too long flying, and we was afraid that it take like at least 1 hour to get there and 1 hour there.
And we're wanting to go to Uluwatu Kecak dance, and those are coming up pretty soon, and it's just we might miss it if we stay too long here. But we wanted to go up there, but there was way too many people in line. We'll take a video outside of it.
I'm ready for Kecak dance.
You ready for Kecak dance?
Yeah.
And what? Look at the monyet,
What's monya?
monkey.
Oh yeah, monya. Monya.
Our next stop was the Uluwatu Temple, located on the southwestern tip of the Bukit Peninsula of Bali. Ulu meaning land's end and Watu meaning rock.
Come on. Then we offer a lot of Shiva and Padmana and these. Shiva is a god of the gods in our religions. That's why we believe it. Inside the basket it contains fruit.
So, we're in Uluwatu Temple. There's a ceremony going on right now. I'm not exactly sure what the ceremony is for, but it appears that there is a ceremony. But this is a famous temple on the ocean. You can see a lot of the cliffside here. I'll show you this right here. Pura Luhur Uluwatu is one of 9 directional temples in Bali. Locals believe that the gods have blessed the surfers who surf the Uluwatu wave. The temple is believed to protect Bali against evil. To end our first day, we made our way over to an outdoor amphitheater to watch the famous Kecak dance performance. It is a Balinese Hindu dance based on the story of Ramayana. As always, if you enjoyed this video, hit that like button down below and please consider subscribing to our channel.